Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Vietnam coming to you live with our morning update, guys. Wow, is it over? Is the bull run over? Is Dogecoin over? Is Bitcoin over? Are things going to go down, down? Well, we're going to find out about that in this video, so you guys got to keep watching till the end. Keep watching till absolutely the end, guys. Look at my view. I got mountains and stuff behind me. It's a beautiful time to be alive. And it looks like just over there, you can see over there, the Hilton is just about to open up over there, so that's really cool beans. So I'll be able to run over there and get some lunch and coffee and stuff. So it's a great time to be alive. So, you know, a lot of people are like wondering what's going on with the crypto markets right now. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I got to say that. Got to say that. If I don't say that, I can get myself in trouble. So this is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And I just want to say God bless each and everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for showing up. And thank you for being part of this community. The community. So, you know, a lot of people are waking up today here in Asia. We're looking at what went on in the U.S. Why is everything down? Is the bull run over? Was this a huge bear trap and that's it? The end. Everything's going down. Are we going to see Bitcoin going down to 53,000? Are we going to see Ethereum go below 3,500 again? Is Dogecoin going to go down to 19 cents? So what's going on? So we're gonna jump into that and much more. Solana is absolutely going to the moon right now. Solana is over $200. So those of you out there who are holding Solana, I know that Dragon is holding Solana, so good for you, brother. Keep holding on to it. And don't get depressed, don't get down, guys. You got to cheer up. Just cheer up, guys. This is not the end. This is a little bit of consolidation. This is a little bit of correction. And one of the reasons why we're seeing everything go down is because yesterday we had this Binance flash crash, this wick that went down about 87%. And that drove the Bitcoin price down to around about $8,200. And when that happened, that kind of had like a wave. When you drop a stone in a pond and it sends a wave. So we saw that all the other exchanges also, we saw that there was some downward pressure on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dropped anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000. I think Kraken dropped 1,000, Coinbase dropped 1,000, like in an instant. So with that being said, it also had an effect on Ethereum, of course. And then when that happened, we saw a lot of altcoins start to shed and bleed out even more. So that was the main reason. And the Binance has said that the reason for that was institutional trader. They were using a bot and there was something wrong with the algorithm, blah blah blah. But I don't believe that. Sorry, I'm just going to be brutally honest. I don't believe that for a second. And it always seems that when there's a lot of leveraged longs or shorts, right? And particularly when there's a lot of leveraged longs, you always see these sudden flash crashes. We saw it last time when Bitcoin was at all-time high, and we keep seeing it over and over again. So really, I think the exchanges need to be accountable somehow when they have these flash crashes. There's no way that something like that is a natural occurrence, right? You go from like 64,000 all the way down to 80, 82, 84,000, 88,400. That ain't possible. That's not natural. And I know why is it so circumvent that when we're reaching all-time highs, we just broke through all-time highs, this suddenly happens. I mean, it just doesn't add up. Why didn't it happen 2 or 3 days ago? Why is the timing just perfect that when we're at all-time highs in price discovery mode, this kind of thing happens? So I don't believe it was an accident. I don't believe it was a bot. I don't believe it was an algorithm error, whatever they're saying. I don't believe it. So guys, that's why you never want to leverage trade. Never, ever leverage trade. But we have some good news. We do have some good news. I really believe that we're going to have a huge pump it up weekend. I think, things are going to pump up. Remember, we got the options expirations that are happening pretty soon, guys. So that's going to be happening. That could also impact the price. But we have some good news. I'm going to tell you what that good news is. So you got to keep watching to the end, guys. And guys and gals, go down there. Show the OG some love. Like I love you guys. I keep doing this for you guys. My community, with this channel would not be here without you guys, my community. So smash the likes, guys. Get down there, smash the likes. Show some love for the OG. And don't forget to go down there, subscribe. YB, and let's do it, guys. So we got this thing So right now we're seeing that the top 10 mentions on Twitter in the last hour. So what are people talking about? This is really important, and it's important that you monitor this, because what people are talking about, will influence the price, and what's trending also influences the price, guys. So right now, everyone's talking about Bitcoin. Is this whole flash crash thing? People are talking about that. This is huge news. People are talking about Ethereum, of course. People are talking about Solana, because Solana is like over $200. People are talking about Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is getting some spotlight again. Then we got the SHIB. Then we got Cardano. Then we got Chainlink. Then we got Polkadot. Then we got Joe. I don't know what Joe is. I know Joe is slang for coffee, but I don't know what Joe is. And then we got the VRA coin. So these are the top coins that are trending right now on Twitter. So take a look at the price action, see what's going on. Remember, this is not financial advice. Smash the likes, guys. Come on. And if you're watching in a live stream, don't forget to give super chats. This all goes to charity, guys. Become channel members. Please do that. Check out our Patreon link in the description, and buy the channel a coffee, guys. Support the channel as much as you can. Support the OG, and we're going to do another charity video soon, guys. So that's going to be coming at you. So it looks like, Solana right now is breaking out. It's looking pretty good. This is from John Wick. I love John Wick. He's a really good TA guy. And it looks like that, we got a squeeze breakout, start strong trends. We got a lot of green bar uptrends right now. And it looks like that, we could be seeing more from Solana, and Solana could actually be breaking out. We're seeing that the RSI right now is very bullish. We got this momentum cross. It's a confirmation of that bullish trend. And so, guys, it looks like, we have this extreme bullish thrust right now. So, we could maybe see Solana go as high as $250. So keep an eye on that, guys. I'm definitely keeping an eye on that. And Solana is definitely going to the moon. We're going to jump into the prices of all the coins in a minute. We're going to do something. Guys, we got some more news. We got some opioid, some really good news that's coming out there. We got a couple more tweets that we need to talk about. We're going to talk about Tesla as well. So this is really good news. So it looks like the consolidation phase is completed. Maybe set a bear bottom and then a parabolic move. So you can see that in previous years we have seen that we go up from the top to the top. It's like 174 days, and then we see the bottom. The bottom drop. Then we saw the same thing. It was 55 days in 2017. Then we saw a 30% drop. Then here is like 189 days between the two tops, right? So worst case scenario, we're looking at. I think worst case bear button to be defined if significant drop. So they're saying that we could have a significant drop from here, and then we could have a huge parabolic move up to like $150,000, $200,000 area. So keep an eye on that. There could be some volatility. For me, I'm not taking my profits yet. I'm still waiting to see if I see Bitcoin. If I see Bitcoin dropping, anywhere below, $55,000, then I'm going to be looking at taking some profit. So I'm gonna give this a huge love, the love from the OG. So this is pretty good news. We just, guys, wait and see. The bull run is not over. Things are not bad. Let's see if we can stay above the 62,000 level, which is a good support level. We'll be okay. If we start dropping below that, then we could start heading south to 55,000, and we don't want that to happen. If I start to see $55,000 incoming for my Bitcoin, then I'm going to take some profits. You may want to consider that. Remember, this is not financial advice. Another indicator that this is from TechDev. He's a really cool, also good TA guy. And another indicator with a perfect track record that's calls the BTC tops is a 2 weeks vortex indicator. Identifies trend reversals. Mid-peak cycle on top always marked by a red line dip into the green zone, which starts at 0.55. So let's take a look at that. And we're currently at 0.94, and we're nowhere near the top. So according to him, we're absolutely nowhere near the top, guys. And I believe that. So, we're still at 0.94, and we need to get down to 0.55 here, this area, to indicate a top. So according to him, we're not even there yet, and he's looking at 125,000. So, I don't think we're at the top. I think we're going to have a little bit of consolidation, probably around the $62,000, $58,000 area for Bitcoin. And once again, the reason that this is all happening, we had a lot of positive momentum. We had bullish diversions. Everything was looking very good, is because of this flash crash, guys. So that's what it's all about. So some news that's coming in right now. Cardano price paints death cross with ADA at 2-month lows, so versus Bitcoin. So ADA is just kind of going blah. And it looks like we could even see that if Solana continues, if Solana continues this move, it could overtake. Our ADA in terms of market cap and be the number three coin out there, guys. So let's keep an eye on that. So bulls fight to keep Ethereum price above 4K ahead of Friday's 435 million option expiry. So we have a lot of options expiring Friday. Every Friday we do that. It looks like Ethereum price rallied to overcome its previous all-time highs, but derivatives data signals the bulls will try their best to keep the price above 4,000. So I believe there's a lot of short positions right now. On Ethereum. So my bet is we'll see Ethereum futures ETF before we'll see a physical Bitcoin ETF. So let's see. But I believe that Ethereum is flirted with 4380 all-time high on October 21st. So we got pretty high, right? But we failed to breach that by a few dollars. And that happened because we had that flash crash, which just kind of took the momentum out of the markets. So some analysts, including independent market analyst Scott Melker, believes that an exchange-traded fund ETF approval is next logical step for a Securities Commission. So we could see an Ethereum ETF coming soon, guys. So just keep an eye on that. I think a lot of people are taking short positions on Ethereum right now, so we could get a short squeeze. If Ethereum continues to go up or stays at this level, then we'll be fine. The shorts will get wrecked, and then they'll have to buy back the positions. That should drive out the price, guys. So, but I believe that 60%, we're going to definitely have. We're definitely going to have a good pump it up weekend. Early meeting of eGold founders may hold a clue to Satoshi Nakamoto's identity. So PayPal co-founder and billionaire venture capitalist Peter Thiel believes he may hold a clue to how to find Bitcoin's founder. He was like this anonymous, mysterious guy, and nobody knows who he is. And the creator who disappeared 2 years after mining the crypto's Genesis block in January 2009. I don't think he disappeared. I think everybody knows who he is. His theory stems from an early meeting of eGold founder in 2000, where roughly 20 people, gathered around a beach in Anguilla to devise a strategy for promoting a new crypto system that could challenge central banks. eGold was a digital gold currency that folded in 2007, and its founders were indicated by the United States Justice Department. Okay, so and what he's saying is we were beginning the revolution against the central banks in the beach in Accra. We were going up to make PayPal interoperable with eGold, and basically, the whole PayPal, this whole eGold thing, and basically they wanted to overturn the central banks, right? So eGold's failure have given Satoshi the foresight to remain anonymous when building says. So the reason he became anonymous was because this whole eGold PayPal project, and because Justice Department jumped in, that's why he became anonymous, because he didn't want to get indicted, right? So now everybody's convinced that Nakamoto was behind the early eCash protocols. Dustin D. Trimmel, one of the first CryptoPunks to mine Bitcoin, told the CoinGraph Brazil in March that Nakamoto lacked bias in implementing new technology, which implies they were approaching the project with a fresh perspective. So Nakamoto's 2008 white paper spawned the multi-billion-dollar crypto industry with tens of thousands of digital assets vying for a piece of the Bitcoin. So in the midst of the historic week, having shattered all-time highs, $67,000. So who is Nakamoto, guys? And people think that he lives in Budapest, So nobody really knows who he is, but people, the circles are getting narrow, and I think we're going to find out who he is pretty soon, guys. So I thought that was kind of a tall tale. Pension fund for Texas firefighters reported to allocate $25 million to Bitcoin and Ether. This is bullish. So, I still think, crypto is still going up. I don't think the bull run is over, guys. And we've got some huge opioid, guys. Valkyrie futures are set to launch October 22nd. So this is bullish news. And I think when the Valkyrie ETF launches on Friday, today Vietnam time, but it's in about 18, 19 hours from now. I really think that, we're going to have a turnaround, and we're going to see, hopefully, Bitcoin retest all-time highs again. So I wouldn't panic too much, guys. So this is really bullish news. Some other news, you guys know about the crash flash. I talked about it. I don't believe this was just a algorithmic error. I think this was intentional to wipe out a lot of the longest positions. Also, you know that Tesla holds Bitcoin in Q3, must tweets BTC at $69,000, and you can see that Tesla continues to hold Bitcoin in his balance sheet. And right now, Tesla's balance sheet shows a net assets of 1.26 billion as of September 30th, down from 1.31 billion at the end of the second quarter. And Tesla reported Bitcoin-related impairment of 51 billion in Q3. So, Tesla's still holding strong, and they're making a lot of money on this Bitcoin, and it was one of their best investments that they've ever made, because the amount of returns that they got from Bitcoin has been equal to almost all the sales of their cars. So, holding Bitcoin for Tesla has been a real godsend for them. And hats off to Elon. But Elon, if you're watching this, brother, when are you going to allow us to buy a Tesla with Bitcoin and Dogecoin? We're waiting for that. You said you were going to do it. Why are you not doing it? And this is a big billion-dollar question, right? And right now we can see that the fear and greed index slid a little bit. That's natural. Yesterday we were at 84, extreme greed. Now we're going to greed. Remember, never swim against the whale, swim with the whale. So we're still okay. If this starts to slip into this area, it's a good time to start buying the dips right now. And this is a good time to be buying the dips. But I think this dip is not going to continue much longer. I think we're going to absolutely explode to the top side pretty soon, guys. So let's take a look at the market cap right now. So the market cap is 2.586 trillion. It's come down a little bit. We had a high this week of around about 2.74. So we're coming down off our highs, but I'm not worried. Bitcoin right now is trading at 62,948. It's almost at 63,000. It's on the weekly Bitfinex. And we're seeing that right now, the Binance one-day chart, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 62,900. Once again, almost at 63. So let's keep an eye on that. Our previous all-time high was here, right? That became support, but after we had this flash crash that we gave up almost 4% yesterday, hopefully we can come back. I think we're going to come back. We have some huge support around 60,367. I think we're going to be range bound between, the previous all-time high of 64.7 and around about 60,000. I don't think we're going to drop below 60,000. That's just what I think. I could be wrong. Remember, TIA only works until it doesn't. Crypto is volatile. Bitcoin is very volatile. But there's going to be a lot of manipulation. There's going to be a lot of weird stuff going on right now, particularly because Friday's coming, right? Friday. So I think a lot of people took a lot of long positions, and the exchanges wanted to wipe them out, and that's why Binance had that flash crash. So luckily it was only in the US. If it had been, the Binance Global, it could have sent Bitcoin down all the way to 58,000 below 60, and we'd be there right now. So lucky it was only US. So that's the good news, right? That's kind of the silver lining there. So if you look at Doge right now, Doge is at 24.58, guys, and it's still holding its own. Yesterday, Doge was looking pretty good in Asia. This is on the 4-hour. We're looking pretty good. We're at 26 cents. Everything's looking pretty bullish, but we're still at 24.52. So I think we're going to be range bound for a couple of days. Hopefully, with this Valkyrie thing that's coming out in about 12 to 18 hours. This will send Bitcoin uppity up, and then we'll get a reversal on Dogecoin. So things are pretty boring right now, I must say. If we look at the Ethereum right now, Ethereum is painting some green. We got rejected at the 4,400. We almost broke through our all-time high at 4,390. We got there. We got a huge rejection. That's when we had this flash crash. It just sent a whole shockwave through the market, and everyone's like, and there's a lot of paper hands that just said, oh, I'm selling. So a lot of people did sell, and I think they're waiting for the dips, and hopefully they'll get back in. So Ethereum is at 4,127 right now. ADA is going sideways. It's still above my support at $2.15, and I think it's just going to go sideways. It's losing a lot of steam, but the big notable right now is Solana. Solana is over $200 right now, and it hit a high earlier today of 205. So hopefully it can get past that. We've got some resistance at 203 right now. So we did get rejected at 203 level. We did come down. So hopefully we'll go back above that soon, guys. So I'm pretty confident we're going to do that. And the total market cap, as I said earlier, is 2.64. The volume is 127. A lot of this is selling. A lot of this is selling right now. And the Bitcoin dollars is coming down. So this is good. So hopefully we will see that we should see some more upward momentum and some more green for the altcoins. All right, so this is good that the Bitcoin dominance is coming down. So keep an eye on that. Might be time to take some profits on Bitcoin. Don't know yet. I'll let you know if I'm doing that. You may want to consider that. And right now, Bitcoin, as I said, is at 63,090, and that's at down 2.75. Ethereum is faring a little bit better. It's down 1.38%, and it's at $4,134, guys and gals. And BNB, it's it got rejected at the 500 level, and it got pushed all the way down. It's down 3.82% because there's some serious resistance at 500. It's not only, it's really psychological, so we really need to get past that, stay past that. And right now, ADA is down also 2.17%. That's $2.17. Solana is doing okay. It's doing very good. It's up. It's doing very good, and it's at $200, and it's up 8.5%. So that's pretty good. DOT is up slightly. It's almost neutral. It's at $44. And Doge is at 24 cents, 24.6. That's down also 3.9%, and that's pretty much in line where Bitcoin is. So that's no surprise right there. Luna is down. Shiba's dropping, and that's down 3.22%. Everything's looking pretty. Chainlink is doing pretty good. They had some really good news. The United Press are going to be using like Chainlink node to do the reporting, and they want to secure the data there. So that's pretty good. But overall, Matic is still up, thank goodness. VET is doing very well. It's up 8%. It's defying the odds right now. Atom is down. So yeah, it's a bit of a mixed bag, but we should see. I think we're going to see that the altcoins are going to pretty much pump this weekend, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to my portfolio in the house. I got my Twitter, my portfolio in the house. What's wrong with me? Get a life, OG. I'm sleepy. So follow me on Twitter, guys. I got 2,698 followers. Follow. And guys and gals, God bless you. You made it to the end. Thank God for that. You made it to the end. I love it. And I love all of you out there. This channel wouldn't be possible without you. Go down there, smash the likey. Smash the likes, OG. Show some love. And don't forget to subscribe, comment. And don't forget to check out all of my linky winkies. This is not financial advice. Become a Patreon member. Support the channel with a coffee. Don't forget to check out my merch. We got merch. We got hats, hoodies, t-shirts. And don't forget to check out the mug. You want the merch? Get the merch. And all the links can be found below. So guys and gals, don't forget to check out the wife's channel. Don't forget to go down there. Subscribe, wibey. And, I just want to say one final thing. God bless each and every one. Thank you for watching then. I love you guys. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Let's take this to the moon. Don't panic. It's not over. It's not over, guys. It's just a correction. We're going to be uppity up. We got the Valkyrie ETF coming out. So guys, don't panic, guys. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo! God bless each of you. See you in the next one.